Hi everybody. Here is our schedule for the next 2 weeks. So we are in the second to last week here, our first full week of the school year. So what we're going to do this week is it's kind of broken up into two different sections. The first 2 days are working on an infographic or a public service announcement. And the second 2 days are going to be spent prepping for and then taking our assessment. Which will be on Friday. And this is the last day to turn in any work from this unit at all. So things will close Friday night at 11:59 p.m. so I can use the weekend to get those things caught back up and so that we're ready to go for our final week of school here. So just so you know, we're doing the infographic today and tomorrow and then reviewing for the test Thursday and then going to take our assessment on Friday. And then next week, we're going to do some physics activities just to wrap things up. Again, we are not having a final. We are just taking this unit assessment on Friday, and that will be it. So for what you're doing today, you and your river group are going to create a public service announcement, as mentioned in here as a PSA. So what this is trying to do is provide information to the public in order to raise awareness and change a behavior. So we want to raise awareness about the Vermilion River and hopefully change some negative behaviors that are happening so that we can improve the health of the river. So it's pretty simple as far as the instructions go. There's really three main things that you need to adhere to. So your infographic should be completed on one page. So it should all be on one page using either a Google slide. Some people in my other class use Piccollage. Google Docs is fine. Notability, Canva, those are fine too. If I was doing it, I would do it on one Google slide just because everyone can do it at the same time. So that's what I would recommend. Your PSA should have color. So I'm going to show you a template here in a second that's just black and white. That should not be what I get on Wednesday. I should get one that has color on it. You will need to address all of the numbered sections below in your infographic, and then I've provided you a template here. So the template looks like this. All 6 of those things are written on here, so you can just straight up make a copy of this. Write your title, write your group members on there, write all the information for 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you can be good with that, but it needs to be in color. So where I would like you to get for today, I would like you to get through dissolved oxygen. So you create the title and your group members' names, and then you go through streamflow, transparency, and dissolved oxygen. So here's what you need to have for each of them. So in each of these boxes, this is what you need to have. Let's take a look at streamflow first. 4 different things. Number 1, definition. What is streamflow? You have this information from your water quality notes. 2, what is the current level? So you made graphs using your slides from last week. You made a bunch of different graphs looking at what the current streamflow level is. Tell us about it. Show us with your graph. Comparison to the standard. Is it above the standard? Is it below the standard? Maybe like for streamflow, does it not have a standard? So in that case, is it similar to its own average? And then finally, assessment of health. Is this healthy and why? So that's really important. Streamflow is healthy because, not just streamflow is healthy, that's not going to be enough. You need to say streamflow is healthy and it is healthy because blank. So you need to have that assessment of health in there as well. If you would like to label things in here, like A, B, C, and D, that's fine. You don't need to. You just need to address all 4 of these things. So streamflow, transparency, and dissolved oxygen for today. Then tomorrow we will wrap up. We'll kind of come back together. We'll review a little bit, and then we'll wrap up and we'll talk about what this future prediction means. So for today, after I'm done here, you're going to get into your river groups. You're going to have one person create your template, whatever it may be, share it with everybody, and then put your names on title and get all the way through dissolved oxygen today. That's your goal for today. Everyone should be through number 4 today. And then tomorrow we'll go through nitrates and future predictions and solutions. Okay, that's our plan. Send me a message if you have any questions. I'll be around my phone, so I'll do my best to get back to any Schoology messages if you have them. Otherwise, right now we can stand up, move with our river groups, and start putting this together. Here we go.